Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today I am here with a new recruitment, off campus recruitment from the Zener company for electronics electrical instrumentation candidates for the graduate engineer trainee position with good academic records for our Mumbai office. Job location is Mumbai. They are looking for electrical electronics and instrumentation engineer. Job position will be GET. Okay, qualification B BTech in electrical and electronics or equivalent. Additional certification in electrical design and or automation is preferred. Basic or advanced AutoCAD 2D 3D knowledge. If you have done certification in AutoCAD, that will be a plus point. Then you should have experience, not necessary. If you are a fresher, still also you can apply. Experience you can check here, 0 to 2 years of experience. Marine engineering, they are they have requirement for this. Then job role you can see here, basic electrical design and drafting, preparation of basic and details engineering drawing, then preparation of MTO for electrical and instrumentation system, preparation of electrical instrumentation layout drawings. All these things they have mentioned in the job role. What are their requirements? Basic understanding of PLC and programming, basic understanding relays, starter panel, sequential logic circuit, basic understanding of cable selection, breaker selection. All these things they are requirement. Okay, so software skills, Windows Office package, that is Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Then AutoCAD 2D, AutoCAD electrical, the AutoCAD plant 3D. These are optional, but if there is some basic knowledge you have, then that will be a plus point. Okay, so they haven't mentioned the batch, pass out batch here, but yeah, if you are from suppose any batch, it's like any pass out batch candidate can apply for this position. Okay, so to apply for this position, what you need to do, you need to send your resume to this mail id. You need to send your resume to this mail id, careers@zerenmaritime.com. I will provide this mail id in the description box below, so that you can send your resume to this mail id. Okay, so please share this vacancy with your friends as well, so that they will also apply. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel so that you will get latest off campus drive job updates. And thanks for watching this video.